Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of modern glam candle holders. So what you're going to need, you'll need some regular diamond wrap. You'll need some of this floral diamond wrap. And I picked both of these up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now you're also going to need both rhinestone brooches and you're going to need rhinestone buckles. I picked both of these up at Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. From Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these square candle holders. You'll need 2 of these pedestal type Tealight holders. And you'll need 2 of these low glass Tealight holders. These happen to come in a pack of 2 for $1. From Walmart, I have small peel and stick gemstones. These can be found at Dollar Tree on a half sheet size. Also from Walmart, I have peel and stick gemstones in the large size as well. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete these beautiful Tealight holders. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't these candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now I will show you all this version, which is the low version, and then I'll show you all the pedestal version. And let me know in the comments below which you prefer, the low or the pedestal version. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.